Hello everybody, my name is Death by Killerbong, and today we're gonna look at a game on, I don't remember what the map is called, but it has some interesting duels in it, very interesting. Now what is this guy doing? Is this a bot? I don't know. He plays smart later though. I have no idea where they're starting shooting. Yes. So yeah, let's get into the game. What are you shooting at? Fuck that island. Oh yeah, you hit it. You hit the island. Good, good, good. So my plan is to go straight north here and circle around the island unless something else presents itself. You never know about that. You just gotta position yourself to be in a good spot to do some damage. I like that about World of Warships. It's very much positioning and planning where you're gonna be next. Just throw some torpedoes away in there. I always like to do that. Oh, one hit the island. So let's keep a little eye on these. Hello, Minakase. Oh, did you see them? Oh! I hit you. He's not gonna last long. Oh, a Hatsuharu. Let's shoot. Let's shoot it up. Oh, he's turning this way. He wants to fight. Well, I won't deny him a fight. Oh, holy shit, that hit. That would have killed everyone on the bridge. Oh, good hit. I didn't prepare there for a little while because I didn't think I would need it, since there were more shots incoming and I needed to lose a little bit of speed anyway. Oh, nice job avoiding all of those. Very nice job. Keep maneuvering, keep turning, keep changing the speed a little bit, so the other ships around here can't hit me. And I'm getting some support fire. Good, set them on fire. Please burn. No more repairability for you. Oh, pop smoke's not gonna help you today, mate. Ah, good shot, good shot. Oh, I hit the torpedo on something over there. Lol, 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 lol. Here we go. Ah, ah, ha, 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 ha. Oh, I love duels like that. They're great. Throw some more torps at that Nuremberg. It's a Nuremberg, right? Can't really see on the screen. Yeah, it's a Nuremberg. But he's turning away. So I start shooting at him. And start heading in the direction of sea. Because that's pretty good. And here I'm hiding in the smoke that the Hatsuharu popped. I'm just lying still here, enjoying farming some damage. Farm that damage. Farm that damage. Farm that damage. Farm that damage. Oh, that's good, solid hit. Ah. Oh well, I didn't get the kill, but at least he died. Very good. Nobody really in range at the moment. Throw some torpedoes away at that Ouroboros, just in case. Hey, it worked for me so far. And let's go in here and cap B. Look at the destroyer to my north. He knows what's up. He knows what's up. I'm looking at that Colorado here to see if I can get a hit on something between the islands, but I can't get a good firing solution. It's a replay bug. I keep switching between these guys, but no. When all of a sudden, when all of a sudden a wild body appears. Holy moly. That's not good. That's close. Here, I have some torpedoes while I turn around and pop smoke. That's his smoke. Why not fire? And miss, of course. Look at the DD behind me here. He sees an opportunity to get sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky. Here I'm spotted by a spotter plane, so I let my AA guns go at him. Look at that DD, is really close now. And the OBA is concentrating on me. Now he's seen him. What's incoming here now? Ah, you see it? You see it? Ha 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 ha. There he goes. Sorry for fucking that up, but he got him. Very nice close. Very nice close combat there. I owe you one, Nigel Bruce. Right, that's deep. Oh, that's a close New York. Let's search the straight. I'm close enough. Nice! 3 hits. I can actually kill him now. Oh, so close. Yes! Fire! He's gonna continue burning. Ah, there we go. And New York added to my belt. I almost surfaced straight to New York. That's funny. Let's take on this Nuremberg as well. Here I'm feeling very confident in my guns and my torpedoes. I can take on anything. And I have backup here as well. This won't be any problem. Oh shit, my backup just died. Ay. Ow, that incoming fire. Ay. I'm trying to play with the throttle. I'm heading a little bit here, but still broadside on. I'm gonna be occluded here in a bit, so that's why I kept on going. And now I realize, oh holy shit, he's a cruiser, he can go fast around this island. I better slow down and turn around here, because I don't want to be popping out of this island. Let's see, can I get some torpedoes into him? And always someone salty in chat after they realize they're gonna die and lose. So we're ahead on points. There's only what's that, 49 points now left, and we own 2 caps. So this is gonna be over quickly. Oh, I'm detected. I'm popping soak, but I'm still detected. He's really close. This is not good. Oh, here they come.
in 5 minutes.
Rear gun knocked out. I don't want to waste my repairability until I'm set on fire or something. So just duck and weave. Ow! I need to use that repairability. Oh! Use it now. Ow, 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 ow. No. Got 2 shots off. And now I'm crippled. Oh shit. Oh. So that ends this round, for me at least. We are gonna win. If everyone can stay alive. So as we watch the ship sink, I feel I did pretty good. 5 torpedo hits, 5 floodings, 63 shell hits, 2 incapacitations, 3 fires, 2 destroyed, and 1 captured base. That's not half bad. I wonder what kind of scores we can harvest up on this round. Can they kill anything before the round ends? No, they can't. So there we go, 214,000, almost 215,000, and 4,000 experience points, but 2,700, I had a multiplier on. Okay, a lot of ships hit, a lot of damage done. I took a lot of punishment that round, and a lot of money on my road to Fubuki. So if you like that shit, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you wish, and give me a comment and tell me about what I missed. And until next time, see ya!